The next note you can alter is the 13th. So we take C7, we can add the 9 and the 13th. This chord is a C13th. The only alteration you can do on the 13th is by lowering it, a flat 13th. So now this chord becomes a C9 flat 13th. Can you have a sharp 13th? No, because if I take the 13th and I raise it, I'm just doubling the 7. So there's no such thing as a sharp 13th. Right? The last alteration we can add, now we can start changing the 5 or the 5th note of the chord. So basically we're playing now an augmented chord. And this is one we use often. So we can have a C7 sharp 5 flat 9. We can have a C7 sharp 5 sharp 9. Now it's an augmented chord, but we often just say sharp 5 sharp 9 flat 9 sharp 5. You know, we don't have to say C augmented 7, even though you can, but you'll, hear it more commonly just referred to as a sharp 5 chord. Whenever you hear that, they're really talking about an augmented chord. You can have a C7 sharp 5 sharp 11, right? And we can add the 9. You can have a C7 sharp 9 sharp 5 or C13th sharp 9 sharp 5. So you realize you can start to get all of these different variations. Now check this one out. This is an important one right here. When we get to the flat 13th, you know that the flat 13th and the sharp 5 are the same note. So you can't have a C7 sharp 5 flat 13th because the sharp 5 and the flat 13th would be the same note. So we generally only have a C7 flat 13th because we need to have the 5th present before we can have a flat 13th. Because if we raise the 5th, then it becomes just a standard. We're just duplicating the sharp 5. We can also have a diminished 5th, or what we call a flat 5. So we can have a C7 flat 5 flat 9 or a C7 flat 5 sharp 9. Can we have a C7 flat 5 sharp 11? No. Because again the flat 5 and the sharp 11 is the same note.